Today, let's explore the possibility of doing Uber Eats deliveries on a motorcycle. If you're considering delivering food via motorcycle for Uber Eats, the answer is yes, you can. However, there are some requirements, notably having insurance certification for your motorcycle. The process is relatively straightforward. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Uber Delivery Sign Up. Select the first option, which typically reads Become a Courier or Deliver with Uber Eats. Click on Sign Up to deliver and log into your account. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to provide various details, including the type of vehicle you intend to use. In this case, select motorbike. Enter your motorcycle insurance certification details as required. Complete all the necessary information, and you'll be ready to start delivering on Uber Eats using your motorcycle. That covers the process of signing up and delivering on Uber Eats with a motorcycle. I hope you find this information helpful.